It's been so long, y'all. How are y'all? Oh, I look a mess, but y'all already know. If you new here, then you'd be like, what she got on? But if you're not new here, you already know. How I am in the crib is how y'all gonna see me, and this is how I be. I still got my trusty robe, or Greg's trusty robe on. It's still going strong. I think the last thing I uploaded was probably in like June. So since y'all seen me, a lot has been going on. You feel what I'm saying? Like a lot mentally, a lot. And so I just want to start getting back into YouTube. I'm really officially a housewife for real. Like, this is what I do. This is who I am right now. And I'm not going to lie, I have mixed feelings about that, but we're going to talk about that a little later. All right? I want to make this meatball subs. We had it like one time before. I made it. He really liked it. And I haven't made it again since then. And so, yeah. And today, usually he fasts on Mondays and Thursdays. So Mondays for sure, and Mondays and Thursdays for sure, I try to have a meal for him when he gets home. It's 1:45, and I'm gotta clean up the living room because this is the state of the living room. Exactly, a hot mess.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Trying to figure out what to. I wanted to make those meatball subs again, but we don't got everything that we need.
What do we need?
I need your impossible meat and the red sauce.
You give me some fried fish.
You want fried fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love you. Not with me.
All right, love you too. So fried fish it is, and not meatball subs. Okay. Y'all, your girl is really a housewife. Now, I have mixed feelings about this. I think I'm finally coming to terms with it for real, but in the beginning, it was very, very hard for me. Maybe I wouldn't mind if I was a bit older, but right now, I feel like I'm still young. I was never the person that was like, I want to be a housewife. I want to stay at home. So I know you're probably like, why don't you just continue to create content? However, I just haven't found joy in this for a minute, and so I'm thinking about going back to work. The working climate has been really weird. Like, people are not hiring like how they should, or they're not paying you well. I've been looking for a job since 1985, and nobody wants to hire me. Like, do you not see me? I'm cute. Like, just hire me. I don't understand. But anyway, yeah, just being at home, I don't know. Sometimes I be getting really depressed. I'm not going to lie. Like, I just feel like, what is my purpose? So, I bought this pillow cover from IKEA, right? And it was cute, but then when I put it on the couch, I feel like it could be either or, right? So I think that doesn't look bad, right? Or I could do the green. So I like the green pillow because it matches with the green chair, right? But I do like this one too because I feel like it matches with the couch. But I think I might have to pick either or because I don't really like them too. I actually like that pillow. I don't want to sound ungrateful. I'm very, very grateful the fact that Allah has provided us the ability for Greg to support the both of us and pay all the bills. However, I just want my own. You get what I'm saying? And I'm praying that Allah grants me a career that I genuinely love, that I can make a good amount of money, that I'm secure in everything. And that is all. It honestly took me like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It really wasn't a lot of stuff. It just looked crazy because everything was just everywhere. But I love when the living room is clean. Like, we still have storage back here, not too much. We're gonna get our TV tomorrow. I just gotta clean. We gotta figure out where all the stuff is going. Because when the TV come, I don't want any of this stuff here. Hi, y'all. Welcome back to Cooking with Raya. Since we last spoke, the meal changed from meatball subs to fried fish. Now he said a shrimp Caesar salad. So there we go. And I wanted that too, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't want fried fish. I was like, I'll make him fried fish, but I don't want any. So I'm gonna make myself a chicken Caesar salad, and I'm gonna make him a shrimp. He shrimped me out. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm over shrimp. Don't want no part of shrimp. Done. I do need to actually wash these dishes first. But let me defrost the shrimp. And then we can start on these dishes. Greg be having like about 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so funny, y'all, to think that a year ago, when I just got married, I was telling you, like, I don't know how to cook nothing. Like, I'm so down bad, and now look at me. Like, I be really cooking. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I asked Greg, I cooked some shrimp tempura, some salmon. We also my salmon. Fried fish now. My fried chicken got better. Period. What else? I want to learn how to cook lasagna. I don't know why I've been craving lasagna so bad. I need to learn how to make lasagna. Because I do genuinely want lasagna. Like, some type of pasta. Like, I haven't had that since 1985. The one thing, if anything, the one thing I hate is washing the dishes. Like, OMG. Worse than laundry. I cannot stand it. It's like, because I cook every day, Monday through Friday, majority of the time, 99% of the time, there's always a dish. I pray Maghrib. I need to still pray Isha. Usually, Greg waits till he comes home to pray Isha so he can pray with me. But sometimes he'll do it so if he could just get it out the way. But majority of the time, 99% of the time, he waits to get home to pray Isha with me. So I'm going to wait for him. And if he didn't, in the meantime, I'm going to wash these dishes, though. That's important. Greg is about to be here, finally. So I'm about to boil this water. Now there you go.
Good.
Hi, baby.
You are my favorite part of the day.
Greg's shrimp is done. See it. We got some garlic cheese bread in here. We got the lettuce. Then I put the Parmesan cheese. Now we put the noodles. I think that's good enough for me. Everything's a lot. I put the Caesar dressing on the noodle side. That one's thicker. Put his shrimp in here. I also like croutons. As they break them. So with this is the secret weapon. This is the salad supreme. I pour that on top of the dressing. This is how it looks. So it is the next day. I'm cold. I'm always cold in here unless I have the heat on. I don't want to continue to turn it off and turn it on because when Greg gets here, he be hot. That's the one thing. Greg and I temperatures are totally different. So I be cold, he be hot. And I think the key to marriage, one of the keys to marriage is separate blankets. Because me and Greg have slept with separate blankets since the beginning because my blanket is heavier, his is lighter. And so it just works for us. So yeah, right now I'm eating a cup of noodles. It may look like I'm struggling. However, I'm not. I just don't like to cook during the day because I know I have to make a big meal at night. Anything easy, that's what I want. I want the sandwiches. I want the tuna sandwich. I want a cup of noodles. Anything that's 1-2. I don't want to sit there and stand up and cook. I don't. I'm not going to lie to you. I really don't. I'm about to eat these cup of noodles, and today we're going to do some laundry. I'm making the meatball subs today for sure. So that's good. And probably tidy up the room a little bit because it needs that. I'm not gonna lie. BRB. I try to do laundry once a week. Like on the Sundays. Alright, y'all. This is load 1. I had to fold a load that I ain't folding forever. Last load that I did before, I didn't even realize was a pin had exploded in the dryer. So some of Greg's clothes and a lot of my clothes got ink on them. But it wasn't like important clothes, thank Allah. Also, we're trying to prepare for Greg's birthday. So Greg's birthday is on December 28th. And from his job, he's off from the 23rd to I think the 2nd. We're going to go to see The Lion King with the Mufasa movie. Then we're going to probably he want to do like go to a jazz, kind of like probably speakeasy thing. So I got to look that up. If y'all know any good speakeasies, let me know. Today we are making the meatball sub. Okay, what I was supposed to make yesterday, but today we're gonna make it. If it's loud, I'm sorry. I am washing dishes. I'm washing clothes. Okay. We got my turkey meat. I don't need a lot. And then Greg's Beyond Meat. We're gonna season it. I'm gonna make the sauce first. So I sing everything. Okay. We're making the sauce. Maybe I should bring y'all closer. Let's bring y'all closer. So we're gonna make some marinara sauce. This by itself, no. I usually, put a little sugar, you feel me, the black way. My mother did it, so that's why I do it. Sugar. I think I do onion powder, garlic powder, if I'm not mistaken, I think. I don't remember what the heck I be doing. I know it's garlic. I know I put a bay leaf in there somewhere. Here's a bay leaf. Something else I put in it. I think it's Italian seasoning. Am I bugging? No, I think it's Italian seasoning. Let's see if I can open this. Let's see. Oh, God. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, baby. I don't put a lot in anything because I want to taste it first. I'm going to put Italian seasoning. Oh, shoot. Oh. Let's put some butter on the rolls. Oh. I think I want to roll it in here. I think. Roll the meatball. Put a little sauce on top. Oh. It is pretty thick. You may not want it this thick. Mozzarella. I like a lot of mozzarella. The way I'm gonna do it, since it's gonna be like this, and pour it on like this. I like a lot of cheese. Ooh, I finally made it to the period space. I hope my makeup looks good. I don't know. I didn't really like it this morning when I had put it on. I think I'm cute with this hood on. Period. This is like a little sweater that's mad short from Forever 21. I bought it one day because we was going somewhere and it was brick outside and I did not dress properly, so I bought it because I was mad cold. So I like this lip that I have on. It's like I have like 4 different lip products on, but I did buy a new lipstick and one of my old liners that I genuinely love. I bought the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. It's similar to Cork lip liner. It's like a light brown. And this is a oh I thought it was open. I was like, oh no, going right back. Makeup Revolution Lover Nude. So I want to try this on, but I really do like this lip, but I do want to try it on.
Ooh. Heat working this time?
Huh?
Said the heat working this time? Feels like it. Okay, this is right. I'm gonna use that part.
You know hell yeah. Yeah.
No, move up a little. Your shoes showing. Yeah. Wait, what's the caption? Okay, no, right.
Yeah, but same dress, but y'all both look good. Okay.
Yeah. You know what? Hell yeah. Yeah.
I think I did too fast. Dang. You think you got it? That's behind the scenes of doing the TikTok sound. So maybe having us doing it 80 million times over and over and over and over. It's so cold in here. And that is a wrap. We out of here. On my way back home to cook. Truth is, I don't know what happened to my camera microphone. I really don't. So we're gonna use my phone as a microphone. Right now, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I finally got home, obviously. But, yo, it's cold outside. And I'm so hungry. This is something that I made last night. I made fried rice with salmon on the side. I'm not gonna hold you. Ate that down. You hear me? That salmon was fire. It's not even like my favorite area of the house. I feel like it looks really cute. Really aesthetically pleasing, you know? This chair's from Macy's. This lamp is from Greg's old crib. But we just got a new lampshade. This lampshade is from Target. This picture is from Etsy. It's a digital download. And I downloaded it at Walgreens. And I also got the frame from Walgreens. So, yeah. But I just love this little spot. This chair is not like, oh my God, so comfortable. But it fits the aesthetic, so. Every time I shoot, I never eat. It's so annoying. Like, I'm be so annoyed with myself. Like, I'd be more productive if I did eat. My mic went out in the beginning of this clip. So basically what I was saying is don't mind my head because I know I look like Megamind. I just took out my hair and I have to do it soon. So don't mind that. Also, I wanted to just do a quick outro because I don't usually do an outro. And I just cut off the video. So this is what this is. This is going to be the end of this week's vlog. I know it wasn't a lot. It's just kind of touching on the little things that I do around the house. However, this next week coming up is, I'm still be in the crib. I'm also doing a little bit more. And Greg's birthday week is the week after. So we're going to have some stuff to do, okay? Inshallah, I get to vlog everything that I want to vlog. I need to get a little vlogging camera, I do. But in the meantime, this is what we got. Thank you guys for watching. I missed y'all. I'm happy that I'm back. Inshallah, that I can be consistent. I'm just going to end it here and see y'all next week.